Nice. Rechargeable, motion activated flying dinosaur. Sick. Oh, tape. Oh, whoop, wait. There we go. Okay. Tape. Get the tape off of there. Whoa, what the heck is this little thing? Oh, this is the... Nice. This is the switch. What's that? Oh, I can't see it. Instructions, maybe? Plug it in. USB charger. Charging the dinosaur. Wow, that's one heck of a cable they gave you there. Beast. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at that. Tiny little charge port. Okay. Tiny charge port. And how do you turn this thing on? Turn off the dinosaur. Connect USB included. Charging only USB. Charging the dinosaur at 30 minutes. Use only dinosaur and make sure the propellers are parallel. Turn on the power switch while keeping the propellers away from your hand. Wait 3 seconds. High speed propellers will engage. Release the flying dinosaur straight up. As it hovers up and down, continue to place your hand under the dinosaur. No contact remote control is necessary. Wait for the dinosaur. What in the heck is this little blue thing for? Oh, well, this is the on-off switch. Turn on off while keeping the flying dinosaur away from your face. Very interesting. I don't know if I want to even charge this thing while I'm not home. Oh, it's all light. Oh, there's the switch right there. There's the power switch right next to the charge switch. Whoa. Holy shit. USB charge cable, instructions, box. Remote control. This is really cool. Thanks, bro. Alright guys, here is the hovering dinosaur drone that my brother bought me. Another angle for you to see it in operation. Got a tiny little charge port, tiny little on-off switch. As soon as you turn it on, it gives you 3 seconds and it takes off. It just goes straight up a little bit, then it starts to come back down. You hold your hand under it, it senses it. It's got a little sensor right here. It senses your hand, and then it starts to come to go back up. So I'll show you. You gotta take it off from your hand. It doesn't like to launch from the ground because it sits back at an angle like that. If you try to launch it from the ground, it goes backwards, hits whatever's behind it. So here we go. I'm gonna turn it on. You can see a little light comes on, and we wait. Go, lights on. That was not supposed to happen. This is a remote. This is a quick shut off. This might be a quick turn on as well. No? Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. All right, I'm gonna come down way down here. Okay, here we go, here we go. Okay, it's on. There we go. Uh-oh. Able to grab it. Here we go. Back over here. No, come back, come back. Yeah. Off. All right. Kind of fun, pretty addicting. I like it. All right, hey guys, so that's it. This is the Dinosaur drone, motion activated flying dinosaur. So hope you liked the video, and again, shout out to my brother for sending this to me. Thank you, bro. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.